Adding a new payment method in Loan Servicing Soft. Here we are in the control panel, and if we navigate to Configuration Options and expand the folder, a little over halfway down we have the Payment Method section. Once you're in here, you can see the existing payment method types that are currently in LSS. These are payment methods that show on the payment entry screen when you're selecting the payment method in which you received the money from the borrower. When you want to add a new payment method, you can just hit the Add button here, and it creates a new line item for you to fill out. The first thing to do would be to set the payment method name. I'll just, set it as test. Once you set the payment method name, you will have to give it a sequence number. What the sequence number controls is the sorting when you click on the drop down that shows all the payment methods. The lower the sequence number, the higher it is on the list. So when we hit the drop down, it would show from top to bottom, check, all the way down to other type. We'll just go ahead and put test in as 50, so that when we go and look at the payment entry screen, we'll be able to see test on top of the list above check. Once you have added the sequence number, there's a couple checkbox options, and if you check the box do not include on deposit slip, then this payment method will not show up when you're running the deposit slip report. And last but not least, we have exclude from 1098, and similar to the deposit slip checkbox, this will exclude this payment method from the 1098s when you generate them for your borrowers. After you are done, creating your new payment method, you can go ahead and click the Save button, and then all your changes will be saved. And now, if we were to enter a transaction on a loan, we will see our new payment method on the drop down here. So since I gave it a sequence number that was the smallest sequence number on the list, it shows up at the top of the payment method listing here. And that's how you add a new payment method in Loan Servicing Soft.